Happy Bitcoin all-time high to those of you who celebrate. We did it, guys. We did it. It's beautiful. The best Bitcoin all-time high ever. But here's the thing. Bitcoin making a nice move. Altcoins haven't moved very strongly yet. I'm looking at Ethereum right now thinking this thing could follow soon with a potential breakout. Let's look at that trade and see if it's got legs. Updating you as well on the other trades we have open right now. Let's go ahead and get it. So first and foremost, Bitcoin, what a beauty, man. That's a good, strong breakout. Hopefully we can see some strong continuation in the coming days. When Bitcoin moves, it tends to move real fast. So unless this is just some kind of like, sort of move, then we might see 120 sooner than people expect. That brings us to Ethereum. Ethereum, of course, had this beautiful breakout beyond the 200-day EMA. Smashed into the 200-day simple moving average, okay? Found resistance there, strongly rejected, came back down, big, fat, wide retest of the 200-day EMA right here, but a retest nevertheless. Bounced off, all the daily candle closes were above the 200-day EMA. That's a positive thing. Now the question is, where's the next trade here for ETH? Now if Bitcoin does pull back at all, then obviously you want to try to relong the key EMAs. That's the 200-day EMA at 24, let's say 2,400 bucks. Then you have the 20-day EMA down here around 2350, 2370 right now. Let's just say that by the time, if you do get a retest, let's say the next 2 or 3 days, these are going to be basically in the same spot. So 2400, 2430, something like that becomes a pretty interesting proposition as a place to put in a limit buy order. That being said, I want to try to play the breakout on this, the breakout beyond the 200-day simple moving average of $2,700. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll show that trade setup to you in just a second. But if you want to do some trading, BitUnix is the hot spot to be doing it at. One of the hottest exchanges these days. It's a no KYC exchange, meaning it doesn't matter where you live. Don't need to use a VPN. Don't need to do KYC. It's available to everybody. Just click the link, start trading. It's that simple. Deposit USDT, have a good time. Long the rips, short the dips. All the big coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, they got your dog coins, your penguin coins, your frog coins, your hippo coins, your fart coins. They got what you want to trade, guys. And when you use that link down below exclusively, you're going to get a $10 sign-up bonus. You'll get up to $400 in deposit bonus. So you deposit $500, you get $100 back. You deposit $1,000, you get $200 back. You deposit $2,000, you get $400 back. Okay? And you get $2,000 in trading bonuses, which is insane. Go get that cheddar link down below. Check it out. Thank you very much. So our trades currently open. Now, yesterday, the Pepe trade, the Mudang trade, both got stopped out. And I entered back into them at the sort of bottom of their range there. So currently in profit on both the Pepe and the Mudang trade after getting stopped out yesterday. Happens. That's what we have stops in for. Bitcoin, relentless though, refusing to give up much ground here. So right now these trades are open. I'm leaving them open currently. Have not put in any take profits in significantly yet. We've got a take profit in for 60 cents here at Mudang, 0.019 for Pepe. No Solana take profit order in yet, but those take profit orders may be adjusted later. We'll have to keep an eye on these. These are just kind of higher targets right now. If we see like the market start to turn over, that's why I say, no sort of hard targets right now. The take profit targets here for Pepe and Mudang, but those would be ideal targets, let's say. If the market runs hard enough, that would be fantastic to see those get hit, obviously. But if it looks like the market's starting to turn against us, then we'll lock in profits on these. That'll be fine too, okay? So we'll see how these play out, but so far so good in the green on these. Solana trade looking very nice right now, $6,000 unrealized profits. So far, Mudang, Pepe, early stages for those. Those can go a lot higher, or we get stopped out at break even. We'll see how it goes. Now the ETH trade, I want to try and catch this. So I'll take myself off the screen so you can see the full layout here. I want to try to catch the breakout. Okay, so that's $2,700. So I'm going to put a trigger order in that'll trigger only when the market gets to $2,700. Okay, so that'll be breaking beyond this previous resistance here, as well as a 200-day simple moving average. That would be a significant breakout in my mind. After, again, breakout, retest, new breakout, And then, of course, new targets beyond that. So the order price for this will be $3,300. Sorry, the take profit will be $3,300. The stop loss in at $2,600. So that would basically say, yes, we got back up to the 200-day simple moving average, but no, it didn't continue over. It got rejected again at the 200-day simple moving average, at which point I will take the hit, take the stop loss, reassess, see what happens after that, okay? So we're gonna click on open long there. Again, $2,700 entry price, $3,300 take profit, $2,600 stop loss. Click on open long there, click on confirm. Our order has now been put in. Now, by the way, we still have our XRP order open down here at $2.30. Man, we got close to it. It pulled back to $2.31, $2.32 yesterday or the day before. So close to getting hit, but didn't get hit. Close so it only counts in horseshoes and hand grenades, as I'm told, and that order did not get hit. Depending on how the market goes, I might cancel that order and redeploy that maybe to a breakout. XRP looks like it could be having a little bit of a breakout moment right now, but that's a story for another video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back in the next one.